Pre-intermediate 14. The future of renewable energy. Climate change is perhaps the greatest challenge facing humanity today, and the main cause is our dependence on fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas. To protect our planet, we must transition to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydroelectric power. Renewable energy is clean, sustainable, and increasingly affordable. Unlike fossil fuels, which will eventually run out, the sun and wind provide an infinite supply of energy. In the last decade, the technology for capturing this energy has improved significantly, making it a viable option for many countries around the world. However, the transition to green energy is not without obstacles. One of the main problems is energy storage. Since the sun doesn't always shine and the wind doesn't always blow, we need advanced batteries to store electricity for later use. Additionally, changing the entire infrastructure of a country from fossil fuels to renewables requires a massive amount of investment and political will. Despite these challenges, many nations are setting ambitious goals to become carbon neutral in the coming decades. This shift will not only help the environment but also create millions of new jobs in the green technology sector. By investing in renewable energy, we are investing in a cleaner, safer, and more stable future for everyone.